We need to assemble the grader. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the grader. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's level the ground for laying the railroad. We need to fix a crack on the grader. We did it! Let's grind the welding seam. We did it! Look at the cloud and choose the same. Done! Let's assemble the dump truck. We did it! Let's load materials to the dump truck. Keep it up. Let's prepare an embankment for laying the rails. The track laying machine. We did it! Let's fuel the track laying machine. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's lay rails and sleepers. Let's assemble the Drayscene. Keep up the good work. Let's load road signs onto the Drayscene. Done! Let's install traffic lights and a railway sign. Let's assemble the railroad excavator. That's all. Let's fuel the railroad excavator. Pump. Amazing! Let's dig an excavation pit for the foundation. Let's load the concrete mixer. You're doing really great. Let's pour concrete for the foundation and make a platform. Let's wash the concrete mixer. Amazing! We need to assemble the open wagon. Amazing! Let's load the open wagon. Ready. Let's build the first floor of the station. Amazing! And now we need to fuel the crane with cargo bed. Pump. Amazing! Let's put stairs and cover the second floor. Keep it up. Let's load bricks for the second floor into the flat car. Keep up the good work. Let's build the walls of the second floor. Let's weld a crack on the flat car. Don't stop. Let's grind the welding seam. That's all. Choose the same color as in the cloud. Ready. We need to assemble the glass transporting car. That's all. Let's load windows and doors into the glass transporting car. Hooray! Let's install windows and doors. Let's wash the glass transporting car. Hooray! Let's assemble the crane. Hooray! fuel the crane. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's make a canopy and a roof. Let's decorate the station building. Hooray! The train has arrived. Let's conduct passengers to their seats. Hooray! The station and the railroad are ready. Now everyone can travel.